विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. उच्च शिक्षण संचालनालयान राष्ट्रीय उच्चात्तर शिक्षा अभियानाच्या राज्य प्रकल्प संचालकांच्या संयुक्तान 3 दिसाचे लिडरशिप इन डिजिटल वर्ल्ड ह्या विशयाचेर कार्यशाळा आयोजित केल्ली. ही कार्यशाळा गोंयच्या महाविद्यालयांच्या प्राचार्यां खातीर 27 ते 29 नोव्हेंबर मजगती आयोजित केल्ली. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झल रॉड्रिगीस.
Generating concept of creativity is what is education about. So if teaching faculties start thinking in that line, principals start thinking in that line, obviously it's going to benefit the institution and ultimately the student. The next workshop is for counselors.
Okay.
What is important is basically planting seed or creating nucleus for ideas to crystallize. So I believe this is as a nucleus. It's not necessary that everyone will go out with a particular idea, but there are at least the thinking has got some sort of a seed. Now around that seed everyone will develop. Some will develop very good, some will use it for betterment of the institution. So these are this kind of thinking, freelance thinking and freelance courses or workshops are required.
To tell you sincerely, we were simply so involved in this workshop, as Dr. Arolkar told, that we were not even aware how the time passed so swiftly. The activity-based learning kept us engaged and interested, and we gained new insights through all that was shared with us. It was an opportunity where we were able to build camaraderie, knowing that all of us are in the same boat. It has been a consistent trait of our resource persons, both Raju and Sundar, to make all the participants feel so comfortable that even if we didn't know much or we were not so techno-savvy, it was perfectly okay with them.
To me, academic leaders are what I metaphorically say are bridges, like the bridge we see across the Mandavi, a bridge between the technical community and the business community. And the key attributes you already bring is that of knowledge and experience. You have a lot of that. And the fact that you are very trusted. Now, what defines your role today in the digital world is your ability to disseminate that information. Because some years ago, being the source of power was key, but now it is all about distribution of knowledge.